Welcome to Naraxon's tutorial on importing video files and adjusting video time synchronization. If you're using a 9aux camera or a sync light and the hardware and software sync settings are configured correctly, your video data will automatically be aligned with your other data collected in MR3 using the TTL sync pulse recorded on the sync channels, and video sync adjustment will not be necessary. However, there are some situations where you may need to align data manually. For example, if you're importing video data recorded by a non-USB camera with no sync capabilities. To align unsynchronized data, you will first need to determine a sync event between the video data and other collected data. This can be some visible cue, like moving your arm in front of a camera to align motion data, tapping an EMG sensor to create a noticeable artifact in the data within view of the camera, or something else. In this example, I'll collect 2 channels of EMG data with reference video. I'm going to tap the EMG sensor on the right rectus femoris within view of the video camera so we know these 2 events happen simultaneously, my finger touching the sensor and the artifact appearing in the EMG signal. I will do this at the beginning of the recording, then continue with the squats activity I want to record. Before we move on to the next steps, I want to mention that I also went ahead and saved this recording to my PC as a separate video file so we can go over the process for importing a video recorded externally. I've opened the recording we just made from the database. If you need to import your recorded video into the record you already made, open the Edit menu on the right-hand toolbar, choose Import Video, select the video from where you saved it on your PC, and adjust the orientation. You will then be guided through the video time sync wizard on the right-hand side of the screen. If you were able to record the video data in MR3 but it's unsynchronized, choose Video Options on the right-hand toolbar, then choose the Video Time Sync option. The first set of instructions appearing on the right side of the screen is to locate the hardware sync event on the video by moving the time cursor. So, we'll move the cursor on the timeline until we find our sync event in the video. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to go frame by frame and get more precise with the selection of the sync event. I'm looking for the moment my finger touches the sensor. After choosing Next, we have new instructions. Now, we locate the hardware sync event on the reference signal by moving the time cursor. Now, we'll move the time cursor while watching the reference EMG signal for the right rectus femoris to place the cursor at the moment the artifact occurs. Once we've found the right position, we'll press Next. Our final instructions are to correct or adjust the video offset if necessary. This shows you by how much the video data was offset from the reference data. After this, we're finished adjusting the video time synchronization. The video data is now synchronized with the EMG data. If you find that the video sync needs further adjustments after reviewing your data, you can redo this process. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@naraxon.com and a Naraxon representative will be happy to assist you.